All right, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to import your Jamboards into Figjam and have all the parts be editable. So you can see I am logged into my Figjam account. I'm at Figma.com. Look at my files here. And in the upper right here, I have the import button. Just to make this a little easier for you to see. Oh, too big. We'll do that a little bit. All right, so we're going to click import right now. And I could import something from my computer, but I want to import my Jamboard files. So I'm going to click that. And first time I'm going to do this, you have to connect Google Drive to your Figjam. So I'm going to hit connect. If you haven't done that before, it's kind of easy. I'm on my school account right now, just because that's where most of my Figjams are. So of course, my Jamboards are. So there you can see I have a lot of the ones I can put in here. I can pick a lot of these. I'm going to pick this one because I know that that's a safe one to pick. So I'm going to click select. Now I could select multiple ones there. Kind of hold down, click all the ones you want to do, but maybe you just want to make sure which ones you want to deal with. Once I'm done, I click done. And then you can see it's right here. So I'm going to open it up. Now I'm going to go back and pause this in a second to show you what the Jamboard looks like. But there it is. That is exactly what my Jamboard looked like before. You can see each of these were a separate slide from Jamboard. And now they are the editable sections inside of my Figjam. So I can easily now modify this if I want, add in those lovely features. I could go up in here, I can add in the timer, the voting, all that in there. I can add in more stuff down here. I can add in some of the templates. I have all those great features that are in Figjam now in my Jamboard file that I had before, and that took almost no time at all. Very easy to use. So that's all you gotta do. Give it a shot. Let me know how you like it.